Here's a small parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia, rules in millimetres, material's been wetted. See there, colours jumping up already. Showing up there, I think in this on the screen, a red bar through the middle. It's only thin though. It's showing there a little. It's got some sort of scale over the top of some of it, I think. There, staining. Be an easy piece to cut, perhaps. The last piece here, showing the red there up on the top underneath that ironstone stain. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.